2014 Hyundai Genesis 4-door 5.0. Look at this thing. Let me let you guys see what we did. It's got converters up there and up there. Secondaries there. Then we took the mid resonator out. He wanted it louder, so we said, we got you. Then we took the rear mufflers off there and there because he's, like I said, he wanted it louder. So we got you. There's the resonator that was on it, and there's the two mufflers that were on it. We took them both off. And straight piped it, so it's fully straight pipe. Hyundai Genesis 5.0 R-Spec. I'm going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Ooh. Wow. That's mean. Got 39,000 miles on it only. Here's sound samples. 118, guys. Wow. That's amazing. And it's quiet at idle. No noise. At idle, it's quiet. Don't ever underestimate these cars, man. They're quick and full of luxury. Beautiful car too. That's that Genesis. It's the Mercedes of the Hyundai world. Look at that. This sounds sick. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Hyundai Genesis 4-door 5.0. Sounds sick.